It's Scott Taylor with Living in Pismo Beach channel. We're on the beach tonight. We're gonna do a beach bonfire, and I thought it might be fun for you to check out how to build a beach bonfire on the beach. We're gonna do a first time corn boil. Never done a corn boil before with the ocean water and the fire and whatnot. Now, I know about fires, so I know we'll build a good fire, but you'll see if we do a good job with the corn. Hopefully the kids like it. Getting a bunch of the youth down here to have some good times at the beach, so come along with us. All right. Holy cow. Oh, there it goes. Once those little fire starter sticks get caught, we're good. Yeah. These little guys, they're like soaked in kerosene or something. So what we did is we got the ocean water and then we let it settle so the sand falls to the bottom. So I'm gonna pour this top water off so it goes in our big garbage can, and hopefully it doesn't have much sand in it. I think it might be leaking. Oh. See what I mean? Right here?
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Well, that's not gonna work. Okay, so the first garbage can we had that we bought at the hardware store leaked and almost put the fire out. But we were able to, since I had a little bucket that we had stored kids' toys in at the house, and so far it's working. Check it out. Corn has a rapid boil going. And when the kids get back from picking up trash on the beach, we'll fire down with the butters.
Beautiful. Did you buy this grate from just like a hardware store?
I made it. It was a hog wire that I wired together.
Or you send it to your project.
Oh yeah, great idea. At the same time, that's how it works.
Yeah.
Did you do like 10 minutes?
12, 13 minute boil, I think. I don't know, he was keeping time.
This is awesome.
So we're gonna...
Is that the one that she brought right now?
That's the one she brought, so we'll just roll around the butter. And we'll get one of these sticks.
Oh dude, check that. There's a vat of butter right there. Nice. Beautiful.
All right, try it.
Oh man.
Is it good?
It's delicious.
Is it good? All right.
Yeah.
Cool. All right.
That is delicious.
Let's do it again.
What is this seasoning?
This is like for the Mexican corn that they sell in the carts.
Tahini?
Tahini?
Yeah.
Tahini.
That's so good.
You want one?
Yes.
Oh my god. That's so good.
Turned out good?
Bishop,
Look at that. Right there. So good. Okay, so the whole reason we're doing this is so you buy real estate from me. So come buy some real estate so we can do this together.
Oh.
No, I said bring some wood and then they can come have some corn and then we can split their wood for them. What'd you think?
That's awesome.
Is that pretty good?
Yeah, it's really good.
Ocean corn. Who knew?
Right?
Let's get some more going.
Hey guys.
Thanks for the corn.
Yeah.
Delicious.
We had a lot extra, so I saw you guys up there trying to start a fire. I'll get you some fire starters too.
Friend right now.
Hey, how you doing?
So, you want salt and pepper? Or
No.
next it's the tahini fight. Where is it?
Where'd you come from? Oh, right here. Can I make him one?
Yeah.
Am I coming out of it?
Yeah, keep going. No, that's fine. Man, I singed off all my hair. Look at that. Your mom's gonna kill me. She's gonna be like, wow, you almost got yourself on fire.